Hi everyone, this is Adithi Bose. I am the Senior Manager HR at Aeon Credit Service India Private Limited, and this is my colleague Vanessa Rodriguez. We're both part of the HR team, and I'm also the presiding officer of the IC at ACSI. This is just a few words about Smita and Kelp HR. We've been associated for around 2 years, and we have had an amazing training session that that she has imparted to us and the IC members. It is very important for us to understand what POSH is all about, and there is nothing that whenever we approach Kelp or we have approached Smita or any of our team members, they are more than helpful and they always give us the support that we need. So we would thank you so much for all that you have done for us, and all the support that we would require from you also in the future. We would want to continue this association as long as we can and as long as we are around in this organization. So thank you KelpHR, and thank you Smita always for your support.
And also one thing I'd like to add is Smita keeps the session really interactive, and she really takes the trouble and asks if whatever the participant may feel about her session. Thank you so much, Smita.